Jake. Okay, ready?
Ready on the court.
Hang on, I haven't put the thing in. Okay, this is a goodie.
You sure? That was crazy.
Okay, Nate, so what have you done here?
Before we were trying to blow off the other capacitor, wasn't working, so I got the second battery.
So that's double the volts, right?
Right. Hopefully
Are you optimistic about the outcome with this?
No, I think we'll have to get a different one.
Does Dad want to see any of this?
He just asked if we were staying safe.
Did you tell him no?
No, I said, yeah.
Oh.
We're not even close to not safe.
Exactly.
These things only go off when you want them to.
Tell me when.
It doesn't look like any current's being drawn.
It's doing something.
Oh, it smoked. That was lame. Is there anything we can do that's cooler with these?
We could try putting it in that pile of leaves.
Alright, Nate, you about ready?
About.
Here, let me put.
Are you about to hook it up? You let me know when you're ready.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I thought you weren't ready. Am I putting it in?
Yeah, you're putting it in.
It made a little splash.
Oh, it's smoking.
Maybe I won't bend them as much.
What the heck? Oh, jeez.
Can these ones take more current than the other ones?
Can you get a close-up take?
Do they have cardboard in them?
I don't know what they have. It's kind of cool. Yeah. That one was like a rocket.
Did the top come out?
Yeah, it shot.